Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to mute notifications from people you don't follow on your account on X, Twitter. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings and privacy. Now click privacy and safety and now click mute and block. Here click muted notifications, and here you'll find from people you don't follow. Just click on it like this and it will be saved, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.